How to only show mutual friends on Facebook. In order to do so, you may follow up these simple steps. So open up your Facebook application and then basically log in into your Facebook account. Once you are logged in, you may tap on the menu bar at the top right, and then you will be taken to the menu page. Now from here, head over to settings, tap on the gear icon. After you open up your settings and privacy, wait for the page to load up and you may scroll down. And here, go to audience and visibility and go to how people can find and contact you under professional mode. After going over to the section, we have this option of who can see your friend list. So all you gotta do is simply tap on that option. And then once you tap on that option, you need to select the option called Only Me and save the changes. Once that is done, Facebook will automatically hide your friend list and it will only show the mutual to other people with whom they are friend with as well. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.